The brain is the control center of the body, responsible for coordinating all physical and mental activities. It is made up of billions of nerve cells, neurons, and supportive cells, glial cells, which work together to process information, store memories, regulate emotions, and control movements, structure, and functions of the brain. 1. Cerebrum, the largest part responsible for reasoning, sensory processing, emotions, learning, and voluntary movements. It is divided into two hemispheres and four lobes: frontal lobe, decision-making, problem-solving, and voluntary motor control; parietal lobe, sensory information processing, touch, temperature, pain; temporal lobe, memory, language, and auditory perception; occipital lobe, visual processing. 2. Cerebellum, located under the cerebrum. It controls balance, coordination, and fine motor movements. 3. Brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and regulates essential functions like breathing, heartbeat, and sleep cycles. 4. Limbic system includes structures like the hippocampus and amygdala, which are crucial for memory and emotional regulation. Diseases of the brain can affect its structure, function, or both. These conditions may be caused by genetic factors, infections, trauma, toxins, or aging. Below are some common categories and examples. 1. Neurodegenerative diseases. Alzheimer's disease, a progressive condition causing memory loss, confusion, and cognitive decline due to abnormal protein deposits and cell death. Parkinson's disease, a disorder affecting movement, causing tremors, rigidity, and loss of balance due to dopamine-producing neuron degeneration. Huntington's disease, a genetic disorder that leads to motor dysfunction, cognitive decline, and psychiatric symptoms. 2. Traumatic brain injuries, TBI, concussions, mild brain injuries caused by a blow or jolt to the head, contusions, bruising of brain tissue, chronic traumatic encephalopathy, CTE, long-term brain damage due to repeated head injuries. 3. Infections. Meningitis, inflammation of the brain's protective membranes, often caused by bacteria or viruses. Encephalitis, inflammation of brain tissue, typically due to viral infections, like herpes simplex. Brain abscess, a collection of pus caused by bacterial or fungal infections. 4. Vascular disorders. Stroke occurs when blood flow to the brain is disrupted, causing brain cells to die. Types include ischemic, blocked blood flow, and hemorrhagic, bleeding in the brain, aneurysm, a weakened blood vessel wall that can rupture and cause bleeding in the brain. 5. Brain tumors, gliomas, tumors originating from glial cells, meningiomas, tumors that develop from the brain's protective membranes. Metastatic brain tumors, cancers that spread to the brain from other parts of the body. 6. Seizure disorders, epilepsy, a condition characterized by recurrent seizures due to abnormal electrical activity in the brain. 7. Mental health disorders, depression, affects mood, energy, and cognitive function. Anxiety disorders cause excessive worry and physiological symptoms. Schizophrenia impacts thoughts, emotions, and perceptions, often leading to hallucinations or delusions. 8. Congenital and developmental disorders, autism spectrum disorder, ASD, affects social interaction, communication, and behavior. Cerebral palsy, a group of disorders affecting movement and posture due to early brain injury. Hydrocephalus, accumulation of cerebrospinal fluid in the brain, causing pressure and swelling. 9. Autoimmune disorders, multiple sclerosis, MS, an autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks the protective covering of nerves, myelin, disrupting brain and spinal cord communication. Neuromyelitis optica, an inflammatory condition affecting the optic nerves and spinal cord. Prevention and treatment, lifestyle, regular exercise, a balanced diet, sufficient sleep, and stress management can help maintain brain health. Medications, anti-inflammatory drugs, anticoagulants, and neuroprotective drugs may be prescribed for various conditions. Therapies, physical therapy, speech therapy, and counseling can assist in rehabilitation. Surgery, tumor removal, aneurysm repair, or implanting devices like deep brain stimulators for certain diseases. Research, advances in genetics, stem cell therapy, and brain-computer interfaces hold promise for treating brain diseases in the future.